Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Review and Aweber. So the use case here is that whenever a new subscriber is added in Review, we want to add them as subscriber in Aweber. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Review is an editorial newsletter tool for writers and publishers, whereas Aweber is an email marketing software. Now, the issue here is that Review and Aweber don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So, Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help us to transfer data from Review to Aweber. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So, let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here, and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I am going to give a name to this workflow, and I'll give it as Review to Aweber. Okay, now I'll create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, I am going to integrate Review and Aweber using Pabbly Connect. So first, I am going to integrate Review with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Aweber with Pabbly Connect. So here first, I am going to choose Review. Okay, now in choose method, according to our workflow, whenever a new subscriber is created in Review, we want to create a subscriber in Aweber as well. So here new subscriber will be our trigger method. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new subscriber is added in Review, we want to add subscriber in Aweber as well. So new subscriber in Review will be our trigger, whereas new subscriber in Aweber will be our action. So here when you click on choose method, you can see we have another option called new unsubscribe. So you can select this one as well according to your workflow. And if you want any other trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com, and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. Okay, so now here I am going to click on connect with Review. Okay, so create new or select existing credentials. So here, if you have any existing credential like this, you can just select on it, or you can just go for new credentials. So here you need to get your API key, and you can enter your API key along with token prefix. You have to add this token prefix before adding your API key. So I'll just paste it here. I'll give a space. And for getting your API key, the instruction is written over here. Log into your Review account. Go to account settings and then integrations. So I have already opened my Review account over here. I'll go to my account over here, account settings, and here you can see integrations. Okay, now I'll just scroll down, and here you can see the API key. I'll just copy this API key. I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste it over here. So this API key is actually going to help us to build a connection between Review and Pabbly Connect. So I'll save it. So now here, as soon as I click on save and send test request, what will happen is in this integration, the trigger will keep checking in Review if there is any new data there. And as soon as it gets any new data, the workflow will be executed. So I'll click on save and send test request. So here what has happened is we have the information of the subscriber who was already subscribed before. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go to Review, and I'm going to create another subscriber and show you. So now I will go to Review. Okay, I'll go up. and I'm going to click on this link. So here you have to put the email address whom you want to add as subscriber. So I'm going to copy the email from here. I'll paste it here. Okay, now I'll subscribe. Okay, so here you can see confirm your subscription. Okay, so a confirmation mail is sent to our email. So I'll go to my email. So you can see I have a subscription confirmation over here. So I'll confirm subscription now. Okay, so you can see you have been added to the list successfully. Thank you for subscribing to weekly newsletter of Pabbly. So we have successfully added a subscriber in review. So now I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I am going to click on save and send test request. So you can see Gary Monroe 677@gmail.com is here. That means we have successfully got the data of the newly created subscriber in review. I'll save it. Okay. So here we have finished our first step integration, that is integration of review and Pabbly Connect. Now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Pabbly Connect and Aweber. So I'll click on this plus button over here. And here I am going to choose Aweber. And in choose method, according to our workflow, when a new subscriber is added in review, we want to add subscriber in Aweber as well. So add subscriber is our action method here. You can see we have various other action methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So I'll click on add subscriber, connect with Aweber. So create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credentials, you can just directly go forward with that. I'll click on new credentials and I'm going to connect with Aweber. Okay. Allow access. Okay. So here we have some fields and we have to fill the information over here. So account ID, it has already mapped the account ID. Now list ID. So you might have already created a list in your Aweber account. If I go to my Aweber, here you can see lists. So here I only have one list, that is Ashirai's list. If you want, you can create a list by clicking on this green button over here. So I'll let it be Ashirai's list. Now full name. So when we were subscribing a person in review, it didn't ask us the first name and last name. We only wrote the email. That is why we only have the email in our API response. So we'll leave the full name blank. So in email, I'll just map the email here. So now I'm going to save and send test request. So we have got the API response. That means our integration is successful. So I'll just save it. Okay, so now let's go to Aweber and see if a new subscriber Gary Monroe 677@gmail.com is created there or not. So I'll go to my Aweber account and here in subscribers, let us search where is Gary Monroe. Okay, it is not yet here. I'll just go to the third page. So you can see name unknown Gary Monroe 677@gmail.com is over here. So name is unknown because while subscribing this email in review, we didn't put any name and last name. That is why the name has come as unknown and you can see the email is over here. Now you can see the status is showing as pending because we have not yet confirmed it in our mail. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to my mail ID. Okay. So here you can see there's a confirmation request. So now I'm going to confirm my subscription. So now our subscription has been confirmed. So now our status will change from pending to subscribed. So I'll go to Aweber and I'm just going to refresh this page. And I'll go to the third page. So you can see Gary Monroe 677@gmail.com has been subscribed. So here we have successfully finished our integration of review and Aweber. And now I'm going to show you this whole process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my review account and we are going to add a new subscriber over here. So I'll just click on this. And here I am going to put the mail, that is Parker Devin. Okay, subscribe now. Okay, so first we have to confirm our subscription. So I'll go back to my mail ID and I'll just refresh this page. So here is the confirm subscription mail. I'll confirm the subscription now. Okay, so you have been added to the list successfully. Thank you for subscribing to weekly newsletter of Pabbly. So we have added Parker Devin as a new subscriber in review. Now let's go to Aweber and see if Parker Devin is added there or not. So I'll go to Aweber and I'm just going to refresh the page. So now I'll just go to the third page over here. So you can see Parker Devin 289@gmail.com is here. Name is unknown because we didn't put any name or last name while subscribing in review. The status is pending because we have not yet confirmed the mail. So I'll go back to my mail and I am just going to confirm the request. Confirm my subscription. Subscription has been confirmed. I'll go to Aweber and I'll just refresh it again. Okay, so you can see Parker Devin 289@gmail.com is here and it is subscribed. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I would like to bring a thing to your notice because we are using polling in this workflow. That is why the response might take some time. So you might have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes in order to get your response. So now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize this workflow over here. Okay. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from review to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Aweber. So now every time a new subscriber is added in review, a subscriber will be added in Aweber as well. So we have successfully finished integration of review and Aweber using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.